Okay, go to ClassLink, and then we're going to click Schoology. Select the class. Click Add Materials, and then click Add Common Assessment. Select the assessment that you're going to give that day, and then click Add to Course. Okay, right now it is unpublished. What we're going to do is go ahead and go to Performance Matters, and we are going to assign the assessment, and then we're going to come back here to publish this out to students. Okay, so now we are going to go to Performance Matters. So go ahead and click the waffle right here, and then click Performance Matters. To access the test, you can either click Tests and then OLA Student Admin, or you can go to the Launchpad and click OLA Admin here. Hit the drop-down menu, select the test. If all your students are present, you can go ahead and click this, and if there's somebody that is absent, you can go ahead and uncheck them. It shows that 36 students are unassigned. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the drop down arrow here. I'm going to go ahead and release 34 unassigned. And now you have your students who have been assigned. There should be a star next to them, and students who are absent should say unassigned. You can click Live Updates here, but you can also refresh and see these numbers change in real time. If I go ahead and see a number here, like 2, 3, whatever number it is, I can click that. That means that we've got some students that are locked. And when you click it, you can see who's locked. You can also just hit the drop-down arrow and click Unlock. Okay, this number here will tell you how many are in progress, how many have submitted, and how many have finished. So now you need to make sure you go back to Schoology and click that Settings, Edit. And then you need to make sure you click on Enable Grading, and you will have the date and time options there. And go ahead and select your date. Make sure to select your time, because this is the date and time that your students will see this assessment. Select the correct category, and then click Save Changes.